Drop it off at your house?
Yep, I'm here. I'll text you the address.
Okay. We'll just bring it down and drop it at your house when we're done.
All right, and then.
So is it facing uphill?
He was going uphill, and it was on a bend.
Yeah.
And so the truck is uphill but downhill.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Yeah.
So he's off the road.
Yeah. We saw in the pictures he was like all the way off the road. So shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
We'll get up there and get it done.
All right. Thanks, gentlemen.
All right. So we're headed up American Fork Canyon again. We got a Tacoma, it looked like.
Yeah, I think Tacoma.
Slid off the road on its way up to Silver Lake Flats area. So we got the blue diesel and the 8.1. We're gonna head up and winch them back on the road and bring it back down to the customer.
Should be pretty fun. Yeah, it's up against a tree, so it is going to be a little technical. We're gonna do our best to make sure we don't get any more body damage and stuff than it already has, but I don't foresee any problems.
Ideally, a winch on the front and a winch on the back. We should be able to pull it away from the tree and back up on the road. That's the plan. So we'll see how that goes.
You know what Mike Tyson says? Everybody's got a plan before you get punched in the face. So if you don't punch me in the face, we're probably gonna be good.
Well, and luckily there's lots of trees up there, so
yeah.
Even if there's not room to get turned sideways, we should be able to snatch block off a tree. And
yeah,
should be good.
It's a pretty dense forest. So
look at that Bronco. That is a beautiful blue. Look at that.
That's what Wanda wants.
That's the color I would want.
That's the customer.
Yeah, that's the customer.
I saw a green yesterday. It looked pretty good. Typically, I like the color of the blue Broncos.
Yeah.
That color and the light one I both like. I like both of those.
I like that one. That was a good looking Bronco. But yeah, we're just getting fueled up now, and we'll head up. And we'll take you along for the ride.
Thank you.
It won't go in. I'll just go around the trailer hitch.
Yeah, that's funny.
It's too new a truck to have rust.
Yeah, it's all kinds of rust.
That's steep. I'm gonna try to pivot my truck a little bit more in the ditch. Okay, now I got both front tires in it. Well, we have two going. Okay, Dad, talk to me. I'm going to put the chocks in the front of the 8.1.
He's talking it.
Okay. You in drive? looking really good.
I just have a big creek up here that I gotta climb.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're in swinging around.
That's okay. We'll straighten out. Okay, Caleb.
Yeah.
Can you spin the tires a little bit? The
I was
left
just
rear
trying.
is digging in pretty good.
I was just trying. That's full throttle.
Is it in low range?
Yeah.
Weird. I wonder if it actually went to low range. Can you
Let me
go
pop it in
forward?
and out again.
Slid around a little bit.
Can you go forward and backward just a little bit? Okay, now backward. Yeah, it's looking much better.
This tire is spinning.
You're coming back a little bit.
Yeah, lockers would be a lot easier.
The rear's on. Yeah. Let's get it, yeah, see if you can spin the rear more so we can get it swung a little bit farther. And then it might, matter of fact, let off with the front. So the front comes down some. A little more, right there. Yeah, that looks way better. You should be able to go straight back onto the road. Let off with the front a little more. There we go. Did you break the shock jacket? No. Okay, you're all the way back on the road. Okay, I'm gonna let off. We should be able to let hook right
Roll it.
there.
The rope is trying to go underneath a piece of plastic.
What?
The rope's trying to go underneath a piece of plastic.
Ah. I wish I'd have known before.
But this,
What happened?
Pop this off.
That should just clip it on. It broke that clip. But these ones
It
all
broke
just
one clip.
pop in.
The rest
Yeah,
of them
these-
just popped
they're-
out.
Yeah, they're not in place, but they'll just pop back in.
We'll still tell them about it.
Was the boom hooked up?
No.
Oh. I just saw it fling.
yeah, it was just.
So I was
That was
up
weird.
against this rock.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to pull you back so the front tire would go back that direction away from the rock. And that's what I ended up doing.
Yeah, there's a sign down there, or
A reflector. Looks like he
Tire
went off
tracks
right
go
there.
straight down.
Yeah.
I wonder if he was backing up and just couldn't see. It looked like roadway.
Well, for him to end up over there though, he was either going really fast.
No, remember they said he slid off and then the other guy hooked up to him because he kept sliding and pulled him up.
Pulled him clear over there. That's
Yeah.
way worse. Would have been a lot better over here. Just pull him back up there. not as bad as I was expecting body-wise. Just that one spot right here. But it doesn't look like it really got fed. I mean, it's just cracked. But it's like that looks like about it. Oh, yeah, really lucky.
So, point the camera over here. Looks like right here is the only body damage. Right there in the cab. There is a scratch right here, but it looks like where it touched the cab right there is the only body damage.
You can put a sticker on that.
I guess there's a little dent in the door right here.
Might have been old.
That was probably from that tree.
Not bad for how deep it was.
You need to get some cleats for those. Get a little more traction.
All right, before I turn around this Tacoma, we're gonna have to move you.
Yep.
So I'll get the diesel turned around while you're cleaning that up.
That one didn't do a whole lot. It slid more, but that one dug in really good. That one worked. Once we get the bumper finished, we'll put a strap that goes between the bumper and those. Then you can kind of drive up on them, and they really dig in. I think I'm going to add on to them too.
See if there's anybody else stuck up there.
Yeah, we'll get this guy turned around and back down to Tibble Fork. Then we'll head all the way up and see if there's anybody else up there. I need to get this rope switched out for my Yankum rope winch line. That's way nicer and it'll fit better. Still got plenty of room forward. Keep coming, keep coming.
This thing is slick.
It's sliding.
It's sliding around.
Yeah, those tires look like they need to let half the air out of them.
Didn't want to stop.
Should we air them down?
Nah, I can drive this out just fine.
Alright. Dad, you want to grab the blue diesel and...
Do you want me to get it through that slick spot? Or do you want to... You'll be fine.
I didn't get it on.
Yeah, hold it.
Yeah, it should be fine.
There we go. So the lockers are on and it's in 4 low. It's currently sliding downhill. So as soon as you hit the throttle or hit the brakes, you'll go downhill. So just let off the brakes and just get as high as you want to. If you start sliding in there, just throttle into that bank. You'll be fine. We'll get out of your way.